Pre-Repertorised templates. For the first time, Dr. Nisanth Nambasan and Dr. Smita Nambasan present pre-repertorized templates to make your prescribing a breeze. These templates are cured case templates and disease templates. In this video, we will learn about disease templates. Pre-repertorized templates of diseases are a group of diseases with their already known symptoms. Now, you can open a particular pre-repertorized disease template, malaria, renal stone, etc. To save time in analysis of your case, add peculiar, rare individualizing symptom. Increase the weight of the individualizing symptom to arrive at the similimum. It becomes that simple now. For that purpose, open your case by double-click and go to the Available Analysis tab. From the Available Analysis tab, right-click on the tab, then select Add Analysis from Template. Then select an analysis from the list given, and select OK. You can create and modify templates in the Case Analysis templates in Group Other. Let's take an example of cases of rheumatic fever. To select this template case, select the disease of your patient and add into your analysis. After adding the template into your analysis, go to the Analysis tab from menu. Here you can see sulfur as the first remedy, indicated in the classical symptoms of rheumatic fever. Please note the rubrics, which can also give you the clue for cross-examining patients and confirm the diagnosis. Now that you have the general symptoms of the disease for anamnesis, when you see a rare, peculiar symptom in your patient, and then include it in the repertorization, it will give you a deep insight into a new remedy. According to the presentation of your case, you can very well add or delete other symptoms. Now, adding the peculiar symptoms in pre-repertorized templates. With a case opened and an analysis selected, a new symptom can be added to a pre-repertorized templates analysis. Add a symptom to the analysis through menu option. Case. Add symptom or type Alt+S. Bring down the rubric in new symptom sensation. In the same case of rheumatic fever, where sulfur was the first indicated remedy, on adding this peculiar individualizing symptom, and increasing the weight to 4, the first remedy has been replaced by silicea. This, and several such tricks, will immensely help you arrive at similimum, quickly and precisely, for making a great cure. Enjoy Repertorising.